guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's vlog. So yeah, I'm just excited actually. I don't know why. Yeah, so I'm starting this vlog in the middle of the night. It's on a Monday night. Very weird, but yeah. So I want to show you guys some of the things that I got. I want to start taking care of my nails, my hands, my feet, my toenails. Yeah, don't get me wrong, I take care of them, but I don't put much effort. As you can see, normally clean, but yeah, I just want to start like shaping them, filing them, you know, just the good stuff. Yeah, so today I got into Best Lady and I picked up some items that will help me in this journey. So I want to show you guys. Yeah, I can't remember the prices of each. We came to a total of 500. So yeah, so let me start on with this file. Just a normal file, nothing much. And then there's this other file that I really loved. Yeah, reason being, like, each side has a different texture, so it has different purposes. As you can see, like for step 1, and then like each side imelaboliwa like the step and what to do with that side. This is step 1, step 2, or step 3. Yeah, I kinda like 7 steps or step 3. Yeah, and then I got this brush. You all know I love cute little things, cute little stuff. It's so pretty, guys, for my nails. I also got this foot scrapper. Yeah, so I got this in pink and this in pink also. I had actually picked up this in a blue color, and then I went to this and then there wasn't any blue color, so I just, instead of just mixing up all the colors, I just switched this one to pink so that there will be kind of a resemblance. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now. Morning, guys. So today is on Friday and I've just unpacked these fruits right now. Yeah, I carried this from home nikitoka last weekend. My dad brought them from Shags, alikuwa ameenda. Yeah, and guess what, guys, imagine hizi fruits tulipandanga na yeye, so it is so nice to finally have them, like zime grow, zina produce fruits. It's so nice. So yeah, today is on Friday, as I've told you guys, and I just woke up, like niliamka mapema, guys. I had a class. I was to have a class at 8 and another one at 11, but zote zilibounce na zilibounce kanishaoga and all. Yeah, so I was just like, let me catch up with a bit of schoolwork because, man, I am behind. Yeah, so I have a meetup in town at around 1:30 with my cousin. I'm so excited. And yeah, I also need to get some stuff because most of the necessities, like vitu important sana zimeisha, part of my shopping, like the tea bags, tissues. So I need to go to town. So yeah, I'll carry you guys through my day.
Somewhere like here, and then it has flour soup. You guys are...
Hi guys, so I just got back from my date. Yeah, it was so nice, like just sitting there and catching up. So yeah, tumekuja hadi hapa and then she's just left. I want to do a mini haul of the stuff that I got. Yeah, first tissues zilikuwa zimeisha, so I just thought I should, I've never tried these ones, so yeah, I'm trying them for the first time. And then my cousin recommended that I should try these. So yeah, I'm gonna try these guys. I normally use Cortex, but I want to try these now. And then I got some wipes. Yeah, but the reason I haven't been doing my makeup of late, like a lot, because I didn't have the wipes. Na nasikianga ikiwa so inconveniencing, like sina kitu ya kutoa makeup nayo vizuri. So finally got the wipes, so I'll try out more makeup. And then tea bags, Prestige, and then Sugar, Mumias. I actually like sijaona Mumias Sugar in forever, so like nimeiona leo, like wow, okay, you guys still exist. Okay, let me try out Vaseline, geisha soap. And guys, something that I've been really wanting, actually pia nimeipata, like I wasn't to buy it, but nimeiona. I have to get these cause like sijai ziona super. So ni the cotton pads za face, as you guys saw on my, I don't remember which video, but I got some products from L'Oreal. So I got micellar water, Ganya micellar charcoal water, and I haven't tried it yet because I wanted to first get these cotton pads so that like naziva namwagilia, and then yeah, I cleanse my face. So I'm so excited I got this. That's the end of my shopping. Yeah, that's gonna last me, I guess, till the end of this month, hopefully. Yep guys, today has been such a good day, like wow, it's been such a good day.
Perfect.